How to fix FaceTime screen share not showing. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix FaceTime screen share not showing. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in this video I will give you 4 solutions in order to do this. So the first solution involves heading over to your settings, and from in there just look for FaceTime. Click on this. And once you're in there, just scroll down until you can see this share play right here. Click on this right here and make sure that the share play is enabled. So after you have enabled share play, then what you can do is just check if your FaceTime is now working. However, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is just force restart your iPhone. You can do so by clicking your power button and your volume down button and then holding them both at the same time, and that should be able to force restart your iPhone, and that should be able to fix your problem. The third solution involves software updates. So to do that, let's head over to our general right here, and from in there you can see this software update. So just click on that, and then this will check for the update that are available to your iPhone. So as you can see, there's an update for me. What I need to do is just click on download and install right here, and that should be able to update my software and fix my FaceTime problem. So the next thing that you can do is to head over again to general, and from there just scroll down until you reach the bottom option, which is the transfer or reset iPhone. And from in there, just click on erase all content and settings. And as you can see, you can just erase this. So from in there, just click on reset again. And from in there, you can see this reset all settings. So just click on reset all settings and enter your passcode, and that should be able to reset all the settings that you have on your entire iPhone and probably will fix your FaceTime issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video will help you to fix FaceTime screen share not showing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.